Unlock the power of AI-driven video creation without spending a dime using your Veo 3 and Higgsfield Ai. This tutorial is your guide to mastering free video generation with the revolutionary Veo 3 camera seamlessly integrated with Higgsfield Ai. First, ensure your Veo 3 is connected and have access to the Higgsfield Ai platform. Most Veo 3 users will find this integration readily available through their existing accounts. Let's start by optimizing your Veo 3 camera settings for the best possible footage within the Higgsfield Ai interface. Explore options for resolution, frame rate, and even focus modes that best suit the action you're capturing. Think about the lighting in your environment and adjust accordingly for a clear, crisp image. Now for the magic: leveraging Higgsfield Ai's powerful editing capabilities. Once your footage is uploaded or captured, the AI will automatically analyze it. Look for features like automatic highlight generation, where the AI identifies the most exciting moments for you, or scene detection that intelligently segments your video to further streamline your workflow and create professional videos. Explore the available templates. Higgsfield Ai offers a variety of pre-designed templates specifically tailored for sports and other dynamic content. Simply select a template that matches your video's purpose. Apply your chosen template to your footage. You can then make simple, intuitive adjustments. Consider adding custom text overlays, perhaps player names or scores, or even your team's logo to personalize your creation. And just like that, you've generated a professional-quality video completely for free. Powered by your Veo 3 and the intelligence of Higgsfield Ai. Start creating today.